guys!
That was so loud and embarrassing.
We're in town.
Again,
and we're just, I don't know, we're just pottering about doing things.
yeah.
Picking up things we need. And we're trying to look for, I don't know what it's called, but it like sticks on the back of your phone and then you like hold it in between your fingers. I don't know what it's called.
A phone holder.
A phone holder thing. Anyway, we're looking for one of them. Yeah, please shrink down to my level. We're looking for one of them, and that's it. We're just buying things, buying a few things. We spend so much time in town. It's like our little getaway place.
So we don't hibernate in the house.
Anyway, we're gonna pop into Tiger and see if we can find anything in there. Candles. This is a toothbrush holder. I thought it was really amusing.
Soap dish.
And a soap dish. A grassy soap dish. Yes. That's really funny.
Want it?
Andre wants a record player because he has a couple of records at home but no record player, which doesn't really make any sense.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't. You just like to collect things randomly.
No.
We found them upstairs. These are so cool. I like this one. It's like another suitcase as well, which is dope. This one's Andre's favourite. My favourite at the end. My favourite. Andre's favourite. I need to get I need to control this zoom a lot better. I'm so bad with it.
Let's go.
Yes. Pirates of the Caribbean CD. And there's the other one. I love Pirates of the Caribbean. And Les Mis. Yes. It's like a film CD section. I didn't even really know this was a thing. Now I do know this is a thing. That they do CDs for films.
Yeah, the soundtrack.
I know, but I didn't know that they sell them. What are you doing? You look like some kind of chicken or bird. Do you want to look at the records or not?
What?
The actual records. I like Bring Me Horizon.
I think that's cool though.
I'm Batman.
They have shot glasses.
Oh yeah, cool.
Big Bang Theory shot glasses.
And they have mugs. And they have, what are they?
Pint glasses.
Oh, cool. Central Perk. Central Perk. Pivot. Oh, I'm dropping the camera. Girl, I think you got a little bit of, girl, she's got a little bit of, she's got a little bit of, just a little bit.
Is that the one with the really
Oh yeah, their mouths.
I can't remember what it's called. It's the really
I'm gonna find what's his name.
Who?
I'm gonna look down there in a minute for Nas.
Oh, okay.
There's a vinyl of Nas, one of the greatest hip hop artists to ever bless the mic. What was that? What was that? To ever bless the mic.
Your skin looks really smooth.
Thank you. I've been using bicarbonate of soda and water and smearing it on my face to make a.
You're so close.
They're called masks, yeah.
We found a book on like tattoo art. It's kind of cool.
Where's the one of the
Funky
dog?
things, like someone's bum.
Why is it like it's biting the lip? Oh yeah, take that.
The bum is like a mouth.
Where's the dog you just had?
I don't know, it's further back, I think. Look how good that eye is. That's so cool, and there's like a little forest in his eye or something. I don't really know.
Wait,
And there's a
look.
girl. So cool.
The doggy's the most important one.
That's so good. Who's this?
We should get a picture. That's Abraham Lincoln.
Yeah, I was kidding.
We should get a picture of Dan's one of his dog on this shoulder.
Oh wow, look, your mum would like this. Wait, where did it go? Where did it go?
It wasn't there because that's the one I just finished flipping to.
There. It's an elephant.
Oh yeah.
That's so good. We should show your mum this. Tattoo master. The legend himself. That pose though. That pose. That's how much a record player is that I won. £80. And that's the one that Dre wants, I think. 120. Trust yours to be more expensive than mine.
Everything's more expensive.
I know.
That's the most expensive one.
No, I know, but yours is still more expensive than mine. Well, I am happy with this one in its little suitcase. It's kind of cute, portable. Oh, it's got like speakers on the side. Actually, that's kind of cool. Okay, I want that one too. Okay, we're leaving.
Concentrate on your steps, not recording.
Fall down otherwise.
Safety whilst out having fun.
Sparkly and pretty. It's £34 though for a candle holder. Oh, it's kind of crazy. That's insane. Hey there, lady. Hey. How's it going? Oh, sparkly and pretty. I like the kind of sparkly plain fans there. They're kind of cool. They're £59 though. That's crazy. What?
They're red everywhere else. Why are they chrome?
Because they have to keep up with the sparkliness all throughout the shot, including the fire extinguishers. Back into town, baby. Back into town. We're in Tesco. We decided we couldn't find the little phone case holder thing that goes at the back of the phone, so we'll order it online, I think, because everything's online. Everything. So, what are we doing? We're buying food. Like we always do. That's usually why we come to town, just to buy food.
To buy shizzle.
And yesterday I redid some of my braids.
Now they look lit.
Well, some of them are kind of like wonky and messy. Look at that. That's not really that neat. But yeah, I redid some of them because otherwise it gets all fluffy at the front and my afro starts to go poof. So, just so I let you know. So we just got home. Well, we haven't just got home. We got home a while ago now. By the way, I did mention in my previous vlog that our washing machine was broken. it's now fixed. It was like there's a filter thing at the bottom of our washing machine that had actually a poo bag from where we had looked after Oscar, because we cleaned his bed. I think maybe there was a poo bag in there or something. He managed to get it in there, and then we shoved it in the wash and it got like blocked in there. So yeah, that was interesting discovery. So we had to fish this gross poo bag out of the washing machine. It was nasty. So yeah, washing machine is fixed. We've just been doing a bit of tidying since we got in. Anything else? No, that's it. Andre's gonna game for a bit. I'm gonna watch a bit of Gilmore Girls, I think, or Friends. I don't know what I feel like. Oh, actually, I'm gonna watch Pretty Little Liars. Oh my gosh, Pretty Little Liars! It's like the end season, and I'm so sad. Like, it's just ending. I'm so gutted. Andre doesn't care, but I'm gutted. And that's it. So, yeah. So I don't know if I said this before. I probably have, but I've noticed that I keep looking at myself instead of the actual camera, and I'm really trying to stop looking at myself and like look at you guys, and it's really difficult because just your instinct is to be like, oh hey, it's me. So I'm trying to like look at the camera, but it's not as easy as you'd think it is. That's all I wanted to say. So that's it. You know what's been happening today in my life, in D and Dre's life and stuff. So yeah, okay. Bye.
Bye. See ya. What's up, guys? Yeah, Stray. D's not here. So work. That shite on. It's actually alright, yeah. But yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next segment of the video. Or I have one eye. Alright, bye.
Dre just made a new banner for our channel, and it's got some funky blue colours on it. I really like it. And I just thought I'd say as well about the vlogs, challenges, advice and tips. We're going to be coming out with some new content, some new stuff, so I'm excited for that. Dre's excited for that. Dre, you excited?
Yeah!
So I just thought I'd let you guys know.
Yeah, that's fab. I'm so cheesy.
Yeah!
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm
You're not recording a film. No, you're just like taking a picture.
This is,
No,
yeah,
it's a
this is recording.
Keep that in there.
I will. And we got...
Somebody
How is it?
Nice. Fresh.
How are we doing? And it's
No. Banana, peach, passion fruit.
Babe.
It's nice. Listen, thank you.
Yeah. You're not wearing your hat.
They miss me.
I do miss you. I miss you both laughing all the time.
Oh.
There's not much laughter in the house, unless Nick is watching it between us.
Hi guys. We've got new exciting content coming. We hope you enjoy it. I enjoy it already, I haven't even seen it.
Yeah, we're really excited because there's going to be new content and we hope you like it. Yeah. What else did I want to say? Did I want to say anything else? Oh yeah, just thanks to all the people who have watched so far, and the people who have subscribed. We really do appreciate you. Appreciate it. Even though our channel is quite small at the moment, hopefully it will grow.
Heavy ammo
And
available.
thanks for watching. Really?
You're falling behind.
Strumming on my heartstrings. Like on a grey day, but I never felt this way.
Okay, bye. Say bye.
Ciao.
Bye.